Welcome to American River RV, and here's another look at one of our great RVs. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with automatic steps, double slides, overhead storage, stainless steel kitchen appliances, corner angle shower, oven, convection microwave, living area sofa, bathroom cabinet with mirror, 3-burner cooktop, bedroom entertainment center, mirrored wardrobe doors, sink covers, bathroom toilet, U-shaped dinette, over-the-range microwave. Here at American River RV, we take pride in our professionally trained, no-pressure sales staff who understand that buying an RV takes time. We are a family-owned business, and we're committed to making every customer happy. In order to build such good relationships with our customers, we work hard to offer only the cleanest, highest quality RVs at the best price possible. So come visit us today. American River RV has 3 convenient locations: Davis, Sacramento, and our newest store in Morgan Hill.